It's 2 in the morning and the pager just went off again. You're the one who gets paged. Third night this week. A back-end service is crashing, quietly, without a single alert firing. No error message, no stack trace, just a silent restart. You open the logs, scrolling for anything that looks wrong. Nothing. The service just stops, then starts again. Clean. You write a ticket, tag it low priority, and go back to sleep. Nobody else reports it. The crash doesn't touch users, just uptime. Weeks pass. The ticket sits untouched at the bottom of the backlog. You forget about it mostly, except for that one night a week. Then a security advisory drops for a library your team barely thinks about. It's not the crashing service. It's a parser buried 3 layers down. The advisory says upgrade before the next release, low severity, but do it. You open a pull request, 1 line, a version number ticking up. Nobody reviews it fast. It's routine. Everyone's seen 100 of these. Tests pass. Continuous integration turns green. You merge without a second thought. It ships on a Tuesday, in a batch with 6 other minor bumps. You don't think about the mystery crash. It isn't part of this story yet. A week later, you check the dashboard out of habit, half asleep. The crash graph, the one that used to spike every few hours, is flat. You stare at it for a second, thinking the monitoring broke. You refresh. Still flat. No restarts, no silent deaths, nothing. You pull up the old ticket, the one nobody ever looked at. Still open, still unassigned, still describing a bug that no longer exists. You start digging backward instead of forward, looking for what changed. Deploy history shows one thing landed right before the crash disappeared. The security patch. The 1-line dependency bump nobody reviewed twice. You pull up the changelog for that library, reading it slowly this time. Buried in the notes, a fix for a race condition in error handling. The exact kind of race condition that could crash a service silently. Nobody who wrote that patch note knew about your service or your crash. They were just fixing their own reported issue, somewhere else entirely. Your bug wasn't a mystery. It was a known problem in someone else's code. You never filed a report that matched it, so nobody credited you for finding it. The fix arrived anyway, riding along on a routine version bump. You sit with that for a minute, coffee going cold beside the keyboard. Somewhere out there, someone else filed the ticket that actually mattered. You just happened to be downstream of their fix, 3 layers deep. You close your own ticket, writing 1 line, resolved by dependency upgrade. No root cause analysis, no post-mortem, just a version number changing. The pager stays quiet that night and the night after that. You still don't know whose bug report actually fixed yours. The changelog just says fixed a rare race condition in error handling.